Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to check IMEI numbers of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings. Of course I'll show you both and I'd like to start with a secret code. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So right now let me show you the second way to check those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will simply forget about it. So then you have to enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and right here in this third section we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.